You're invited to a very Cravings open house. Today we're making a holiday-inspired Cranberry and Clementine Moscow Mule. These Moscow Mules are going to be enhanced with the flavors of cranberry and clementines. They're going to make a delicious beverage to serve at my holiday open house. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to watch right till the end of this video. I'm going to leave a link for all of my other delicious recipes as well. Now let's get started. I'm going to start with these gorgeous Moscow Mule mugs. These are made out of copper and they're favored because they keep the drink really, really cold. I'm going to start with a few cubes of ice in each. I'm going to follow this with a 2-ounce or 60 ml shot of vodka. I'm also going to add 200 ml of cranberry. Next, I'm going to top it off with about 200 ml of ginger beer. To keep the drink even colder, I bought some fresh cranberries and I froze them. Clementine, I'm going to add a few in each mug for that really festive look. I'm going to top it with a few sprigs of rosemary and a nice squeeze of clementine juice. And you have something delicious to cheer. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. These holiday Moscow Mules are absolutely delicious. They're so easy to put together and they really spread the festive joy. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Do share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget, I am running a giveaway on my channel till the end of the year. This includes a box full of my favorite ingredients, including a Cravings apron and a mug. So all you need to do is comment on any video with the hashtag Cravings and you will be entered automatically for your chance to win. All of the details are in the description. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and even Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy holidays. Bye.